we just got done watching the movie If. This came out in 2024. It is a 1 hour and 44 minute PG rated movie. The premise of it is, If is a heartwarming and hilarious tale about a girl who discovers that she can see everyone's imaginary friends, known as Ifs. She embarks on a magical journey to reconnect forgotten Ifs with their kids before they disappear. It says a comedy drama. I don't know, it just felt really slow to me, this movie, and it just wasn't what I was expecting. I was expecting there to be more comedy. I wouldn't watch it again. I will link it below. If you've seen the movie If, let me know what you thought of it. If you haven't seen this movie, maybe you're a fan of Ryan Reynolds. If so, he stars in this film. But yeah, I don't know, it was slow. The story wasn't what I expected it to be. I thought the casting was nice and the performance was nice as well, but just the story just was a bit slow, and yeah, it just wasn't for me. Lisa, what did you think?
Yeah, it wasn't for me.
I would probably give this a 2 out of 5 stars. I don't even imagine as a child I would have really been over the moon over this movie. Just wasn't as interesting, and a lot of the humor, it seemed like, was based more towards what would make an adult laugh over what would make a kid laugh.
Yeah, no, I had better hopes for this one.
Yeah, like I said, it was just a bit of a letdown, so yeah, it happens. Thank you so much for watching this review, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.